In this lecture, you will learn to collect a list of worst backlinks and to remove them from the eyes of Google. In the last lecture, we decided to remove this link, and let's assume that I need to add this one to the list of worst links. Let's see how to add it. When you mouse over this add link button, you can see that add to link manager. When you click on it, you will be asked to create a free SEO profiler account. Go ahead and enter your email address and a password to create an account. You will be asked to confirm your email address. Open your inbox and click on the verification link. Once I click on that link, this welcome message is displayed to me, which means my email is verified successfully. Once you have got this welcome message, click Project Overview, then select Link Profiler and go to Backlinks. Then sort these backlinks in the ascending order of link influence score. Now click on this button to add to Link Manager. I wish to add this link to the Link Manager too. Like this, add all the links that are suspicious to your eyes. Once you have added all the links that are suspicious to your eyes, go to Link Building and select Link Manager. You have created a list of worst backlinks from your backlink profile. But these backlinks are suspicious just for our eyes. If you don't want to spend a lot of time in analyzing each and every backlink, then you can simply go to Link Profiler and select Link Disinfection. Here you will get a list of suspicious links which are determined by SEO Profiler itself. You can just remove those links from the eyes of Google. So by the end of this lecture, you could have prepared your own suspicious links, or you could have got the links that are suspicious to the eyes of SEO Profiler. In the next lecture, you will learn how to remove the list of worst links from the eyes of Google using Disavow tool.